You're about to have a great week. You are blessed and not cursed. You are first and not last. You shall live and not die. If God be for you, who can be against you? God will soon crush Satan underneath your feet. There's a war against you right now. Guess who wins? You do. Real quick, why do we get together? Why do we have community, communion of the saints? Why do we, as Hebrews 10:24 says, 25, why do we assemble together? A lot of times what the reasons that we talk about the benefits of community, I've noticed, it just occurred to me this morning while I was in the word here, Hebrews 10, that it's selfish reasons, to be honest. It's for our growth. It's for our revelation. It's for to see ourselves clearly. It's for our blah, blah, blah. Here's what the word says about community, about us all getting together. The King's Round Table. Hebrews 10:23, 24, 25. Let us hold fast the confession of our hope without wavering, for he who promised is faithful. Let us consider how to stimulate one another to love and good deeds. Let us consider how to stimulate one another to love and good deeds, not forsaking our own assembling together, as is the habit of some, encouraging one another all the more as you see the day drawing near. If you don't see the day drawing near, you are blind. Let us consider how to stimulate one another to love and good deeds. Let's start focusing a little bit and maybe start thinking along these lines before we meet today. How can we stimulate one another to love and good deeds? First thing that comes to mind, I'm trying to think when we've ever done that. Tony Sicaro did that when he found a family in need and was trying to raise money for them, for us all to help this family. He was trying to stimulate us to love and to good deeds. Maybe this week, let's focus a little bit less on us and try to put our heads together, our hearts, which are knit together in Christ, to figure out how we can freaking help other people outside our community or inside. Good deeds. Let's do some good deeds this week.